Hello friends, my name is Akshay Gopal and I secured All India rank 319 in UPSC Civil Services 2015 examination. I would like to start off by conveying my deepest gratitude to the family of Nirvana, without whom I would not have achieved this success. In this little video, I would like to share my experience at Nirvana IAS Academy and politely also try to convince you to share your journey in the UPSC journey, in the UPSC preparation along with Nirvana. I took my first attempt for the UPSC in 2012, and in that year I was only involved in the GS preparation with Nirvana. I got introduced through an ad in Hindu and I attended a seminar subsequently to that. The other preparations, such as for optionals, I was taking in Rajendra Nagar. But I failed in that attempt, and I realized that the stressed environment and the competitive attitude of people in places like Rajendra Nagar and Mukherjee Nagar had put me off completely. Whereas the only glimmering hope which I had was the preparation that I had at Nirvana. Hence, I decided to change my optionals and take up law under the able guidance of Karam sir, because I knew his way of teaching and his approach to the subject, and I was sure that I would be able to excel any subject under him. Regarding GS preparations, one of the most innovative and novel approaches was the fact that we had a lot of interactive sessions with the teachers, which I think was essential because of the evolving nature of UPSC preparations, which are becoming less and less predictable and bookish. The other very important and significant aspect of Nirvana, which I would like to discuss here, is the structure of a family at Nirvana, which is important because the students here are not honed to compete with each other. They are treated as family and are expected to interact with each other so that it becomes mutually beneficial for each one of us. Secondly, the staff at Nirvana are not like teachers, but rather like brothers and fathers and elder sisters, which are available at all times and to solve all kind of disputes, whether it be academic or non-academic, and all kinds of other problems. The other point that I would like to make is that many students, which in my experience I felt that do adequate academic knowledge or have academic knowledge for the examinations, but in the department of mental strength they lack. This is one aspect which was honed very well in Nirvana, and we were able to face any challenges during the examinations as well as during its preparations. At this point of time, I would like to individually thank each of the members of Nirvana family. First of all, Ruby ma'am for her guidance in CSAT preparations, to Vadva sir for his insights on history, and lastly to Karam sir, whose academic and philosophical guidance at all times ensured that I achieved my dream. In the end, I would like to wish you all the best for all your future endeavors, and also to make earnest appeal that you should at least step in at Nirvana at least once and visit it to attend the seminar, because I am sure it will help you a great deal in unclogging your mind and clarifying your doubts. Thank you.